Connect the bridge LR to a computer using an RS-485 to USB converter. Open the bridge LR setup software available on Circutor's website. Select the COM port assigned to the RS-485 to USB converter. You can check this in the Windows Device Manager. Configure the communication and the Modbus ID. If the indicator turns green, there is a connection. If you don't remember the configuration, restart the bridge LR. Hold down the button for 10 seconds until all the LEDs start flashing. The factory settings will be restored. Click the Modify button. In the Parameters section, RS-485. Select the communication mode, Modbus ID, and the operating mode, Master or Slave. Click Accept. Click the Modify button. In the LoRa Parameters section, set uplink and downlink to the same mode. Select the LoRa frequency for uplink and downlink, making sure they match. Security is always enabled. The software displays the default key with the option to auto-generate a new random one. You can also enter your own key. The software allows you to copy the key to the clipboard and use it on other devices by clicking the icon. Send a request from the bridge LR master. The RF LED on the bridge LR slave will blink, indicating communication. To perform a coverage test, send a request from the bridge LR master to any Modbus register on the bridge LR slave. When the communication is received, the RF LED on the slave will blink. First, the bridge LR master sends a request to the bridge LR slave. When the response arrives, a query is made to register 1004 on the master to verify communication. The value obtained is equivalent to the RSSI and SNR, which allows you to determine the quality and strength of the signal. In the case of a multi-point installation, repeat this process with each bridge LR slave for which you want to check the coverage level.